Okay, so good morning, guys. So good evening, good afternoon, whenever you are watching this video. So the today we are going to start a new chapter of our MCQs, previous year question papers, and all these things. So today we are going to go with this theory of computation, and the topic we are going to choose regular expression. So what we are going to do, we are going to do a few previous year question paper questions, and as well as we try to analyze them. And if we are giving exam for any exam or anything else, try to find previous year question papers, right? And then you will try to analyze them, and then you will able to understand which type of question they ask, and which type of question they may ask, right? For if we talk about gate point of view, we have a syllabus, we know that, and this syllabus is consecutively coming from last or for 5 or 10 years in the same way. So they changes, like they make a minor changes, which is not that big of a deal. They just add few new concepts, you can say that new chapters, all these things. But if we go with this TOC, and the first topic in this TOC, we have a regular expression. So in regular expression, what type of question we can see, and what type of concept they are asking, and how to solve them, we can see in this video. Okay, so let me just tell you just a few things. So this is a question from 2024 set 2, and this is also question 2024. This is a DFA and this is an NFA, right? So both are the same thing. Okay, so both are the same things, but the different is this is just NFA and this is a DFA, and we just have to tell the which language is accepted by this DFA, like which regular expression correctly identify which type of strings or language is accepted by this NFA, and as well as for this DFA, right? So this is very simple and very intuitive to learn, right? So it's very sweet, right? So so as you can see that if the person was who was in 2027 and he knows about these two topics, so he just had he got like 2 or 3 marks, like two from this, one from this. And as you know that gate is like very 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 much hard, right? So if you got 1 marks extra, you can go from thousands ranks to 100 ranks, right? So that's why every single point number is matter in this case. But if we just see regular expression, we can just get a free 3 marks, like not free, but yeah, it's kind of free. Okay, so let's start with our this FNA, finite or NFA, and try to find which the regular expression correctly identify which type of the they accept the language. Right? So the question can become like bit different, like which of the regular expression is not accepted by the NFA. This could be a question as well. But they are asking which of the regular expression correctly identify the language which was accepted by this NFA, right? So we have a M. Right? So how to solve this question, this type of question? To solve this type of question, we have a very very sweet thing, not thing, but as algorithm. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a language. So we are not going to make language, we are going to find out what is the language of this which is acceptable. So epsilon is accepted, right? So we are going to use epsilon as a hash because I don't have a epsilon symbol. Then 0 is accepted, right? 0 is accepted, 1 is accepted, right? Double 0 is accepted, right? So double 1 is accepted, double 1 is not accepted, but triple 1 is accepted, right? Right, so let's see, double 1 is accepted or not. 1 2 3 so double 1 is not accepted, triple 1 is accepted. So we'll go with an even number of zeros, right? So yeah, we can accept even number of zero, which is double zero, which is already written. And can we accept zero? We have zero and a triple number of ones and all these things, right? So this type of the language is accepted by this NFA, right? So let's try to identify which of the language made by this, which of the regular expression made this language, right? Let's go with the first language, right? So first first regular expression. So if you see, can see that this can make empty string, correct? But can it make zero? So no, this regular expression can't make a single zero. So that's why this is out of the question. Let's go with this one. Okay, so we can see that in this here also this is not made this regular expression can't create a zero, single zero. That is why these two are empty. That so these two A and C are cancelled. So can you see that we just made a language and we have just see this only two things, right? First is zero and first epsilon, right? And while seeing this, we have already cut down the. No, we just have seen a zero. We haven't seen empty string yet, and we have made progress that we can go with and we have made 50-50, right? So let's go with B and C, B and D, right? So this B can create zero, correct? D also can create zero, good. So can this create epsilon? That might mean an empty. So okay, so if we use just this part of the language, just this part, yes, we can create a zero, and yeah, we can create epsilon, right? And can we, and I think this can be created, right? So plus one, zero plus, so it's not going to be zero, and if we make it this zero, this is going to be one, and this is going to be one, right? So yeah, so in this we can create epsilon, right? So we have just seen these two numbers, just two strings, and with this two string we already have identified that this can create, this can create, this only, this is the answer, right? So if we can choose these, or also we can check also these things like zero is accepted and all these things. So can you just see, we just have seen these two things, just two things, and we are able to identify which one of the correct answer. Got it? So sometime this is very simple, but if we have seen this type of question without even reading on the exam, but we will be able to like get confused and kind of get scared, like what is going on with this, but we have easily identified right here, right? So we can go with the gate overflow if you want a detailed explanation, right? Next question is, which of the following expression is equivalent to the language accepted by DFA? So same thing. So we are going to do like DFA, right? So language of DFA is equal to, like, well, make this like language DFA and all this thing, and this is done, right? So let's see which type of language is accepted by this. So first of all, one is accepted. So yeah, this is a DFA, so epsilon is not going to be in this. One is accepted, and one zero is accepted, right? Zero one is accepted, right? And zero one zero is also accepted, because we can go like infinite number of zero, infinite number of zero, infinity, right? So next we have if we go one one one, triple one is accepted because it will go to this state, to this to this, and this three is accepted, right? And if we go with like 0 1 0 1 1, this is also accepted. And if we make like uh, 0 1 0, right, 1 0 1, right, this is also accepted. And this also, I was making this within smaller. Let me make it 2, yeah. Now it's good. So this is the strings which is accepted by this AFA. Let's see. Let's try to identify which of the regular expression make these epsilon, these strings, right? Let's go with the first one, right? So let's see if it can make one, right? So if we make it 0 0, this can make one. Okay, this is in the language. And if we make it 0 0, this can't make, right? So this is a wrong answer because it can make one. Yeah, if we made this 0, because we need by default one, right? If we make all the stars 0, then we should have able to get one, right? So if we make all the stars 0, then we will able to have one. This is the candidate, this is not, right? So B is the cancelled. And let's see 3. Yeah, this is also candidate. And this is no, this is not a candidate. So we just have seen just one string, and this one string we have already cut down 50-50. So now we have B and C, right? So let's go with this and try to make 10. Can we make 10 with this? And if we make we can go with the okay, so let's start with 0, right? So if we have 0, yeah, we will make this star 1. And what we will be having, we can either use 0, so it will be 1 or 0. Yeah, we can make 10. And can we make 10 here? Yeah, absolutely. We can make it 0, we can make 10, right? Absolutely 10, right? So 10 is also made. No, can we make, let's go with this 0 1 0 1 0 1. And can we make this 0 1 0? Can we make 0 1? Let's see. Okay, so we can make obviously we can make 0 1 right here. Obviously make 0. Can we make 0 1 0? Can we make 0 1 0? 0 1 0. Yeah, this can make 1 0 1. Okay, good. Can we make triple 1? Right. So let's see triple 1. And if we make it 1, so it will be like, okay, so we can, I think we can, so if we make it 1, so we'll be have 1 0 1 1, right? So we can make triple 1. We can't make triple 1 with this. Can we make triple 1 with this? If we make 1, okay, so this is going to be 1, this is going to be this one, and this one. Okay, so A is the true answer, right? Yeah, so A is the right answer. So if we know how to make this language and how to identify, like, simply we can get this 3 marks without even like thinking too much, right? So I will just explain, that's why it will take few minutes extra, but this is very simple, and you can get 3 marks without even going too much in details, right? So this question is kind of bit too much to just do. So the answer is 44. I have done this, but let me show you how this is the true answer. So firstly, the question is, consider the following two regular expression, alphabet 0 1, right? R should be like 0 star plus 1 star, right? So R should be like 0 star. R will be like it should be like, they are saying like the number of should be equal or 0 to 1, right? So it will be like kind of that 2 power 0, right? So 2 power 0 and 2 power 0. I can make 2 power 0 right here, but let me see. Okay, so in this we can make 2 power 0. Okay, so this is the correct answer. And let's go in details. So this is the represent the all the string extremely 0 1, or either it's include one and string or string unit. So just simple words they are saying, go with like make them like power, right? So we have two strings, R and S, right? If and we have two string, and we will make it 0 2 power 0 1 3 4 5, and we will be getting 63, right? The question is asking which of the string are not in R nor in S. So they are asking not in R and nor do in S, right? We just want to know that which of the strings are not in R or not in S. Right? The total number will be like 63. Yeah, we will have total number of 63. And if we do like right, so the string one string is R, right? So first string is R, And from first string, how much we can strings make? Like if we just go with this thing, right? If we go with the, this is all right, so we'll pick this one, right? So it will be epsilon 0 double 0 triple 0 40 50, right? So it will be like 6 strings. Same with this, so we will have 6, so total we have 12 string. But epsilon is both in the same, so it will be having, we will making 11 strings. Then we are going to do with the same thing with this, right? So here we is the number of one is increasing, and it will be like 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 and all these things. We will be getting 10 string from here, right? So here is a 10 string and here is a 12 string. But remember this thing, that we have 0 and 1 1 and 0, so we have to minus 2 strings. So we total have 10 11 plus 11 minus 2, we have to do minus 2, and we will be having 19, right? So union of these two have been 19. And which of the one is not in R nor the in S, right? So 19 are in both R and S, right? So 19 strings both are in R and S. So we are just going to do minus from 63, and we will be getting 44. That is the answer of 44 of this particular question. If you can see this, this question is like just 4 length question, right? So 1 2 3 4, 4 length of question. And this 4 length question give you so much. But after doing this a few times, understanding what is the concept of that, that make is very easily, right? If you see this question just first hand without even looking anywhere, so you will be you will be thinking about what the hell is this question, what is even asking. So you are just asking which are not in R nor the S, so how we can identify that. So if you do like 0011, that can make like a lot of time, and you will unable to understand, right? So that's why analyzing question is very important. So if we just see we have already done 2 questions which are exactly the same. Like we have just we are telling we are just identifying the concepts, right? So 2 question have the same concept, right? So this is a this has the concept same, but it's kind of bit different. So yeah, okay, let's go with the next one. Okay, so how is this question? Okay, you can read this question, and this is the question. Simply they are saying letter are A to Z, right? And digit R means 0 to 1, right? So id is letter and all this, right? So the question is this, that letter comes first. After letter always 100% come. Without letter we can do it, right? We need letter 100%, right? So after that we can have letter or digit. We can have both. We can have like letter, and then in the next string we will have digit, like that, right? So if we go with this one, so this is going to be cancelled, because epsilon is going from first state to second state. So we don't want that, because we want letter 100%. So these are 3 candidates now. And if we go with the second, and yeah, we will go empty string letter and then go to back. And if we get here letter again, we will go from digit and go to from letter. And then again we get letter, and we can go from this state and to final state. And if we get again digit, we can go here and here and here. So this is the 2 answer. Let's go with B. So V is looks like a lot like we can go letter accepted, or either it will go to letter, it will accept, or either it will go to accept, right? The issue is here that if we are just accepting letter, but if here come digit, we'll be having trouble. And if we are accepting just digit, if after that we get a letter, then we are going to in trouble right? So if we go with this D, and if we accept letter, it's correct, right? If after that is letter, okay, good. But this letter is not accepted, but although here are the digit as well, right? So these both should be making this acceptance, right? So one is not accepted, these two are simultaneously accepted. So that's why it's, because here are or option, right? So that means or. So we are the C answer is true, right? That's a true. Next we have a DFA. That is the same concept. We have to just to find out which of the language is which of the language is made by which of the uh, DFA language is accepted by this DFA. Just make it again. So this is going to be we'll make it the name of this A, right? So the language should be like, we can just, okay, if we just identify this R is unreachable, for we can just disqualify this thing. Can we make it right here? Oh yeah, it's sweet. Good, 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 good. I thought that we can make it. Cancel, and let me see if I can make it bigger. Yeah, we can make it right. So language of this going to be like pretty good, because we can just eliminate this um, this R, and we'll start with this, right? So what is accepted by this? So it's a DFA, so it's not accepting epsilon, so it will accepting one, and after that one is accepted, 1 0 is accepted, and after that triple one is accepted, 1 1 1 triple accepted, because 1 1 1 triple one is accepted. And what if we go with like triple one and as well as 0 is accepted, and yeah, and if we go with the 1 0 1 1 is accepted as well, right? So these are the sequences which is accepted by this our TFA, right? So yeah, now we will try to identify which of these language is accepted by this which of the regular expression made these languages, right? So let's go with one. So which of the one is making one, right? So just look at this. So this is not making one. We can see that this is making 0, and 0 is not accepted. Single 0 is not accepted, by the way. So this is got cancelled, right? Other are making 1 1 1. So there are candidates right now. No, let's go with like 0. Can they make 10? So if we go with this, okay, so they can't make 10, they are making triple one. So this is got cancelled, right? So we are just taking about 10. So if we go with this, yes, we are making 10. So this is a candidate. This is making 10. No, this is also not making, it's making triple one. So this is the answer. And can we make 11? Yeah, we can make 11. So can we make 1 0 1 1? Yeah, we can make it as. So this is the answer. Correct. So we can let me just copy this thing, and yeah, right. So maybe that will help something sometime. Right. So let me copy this as well. Right. So yeah. Right. So yes. Okay. So that's why these are the sequence. Okay, so we have identified first five regular expressions, and these are pretty much have the same concept, right? So this is bit different, but the concept was same, and this is different, but the concept was not that same. But we can just see that 5 out of 4, we just have done 5 questions, and three of them was exactly the same. The concept was exactly the same. So this in 2023 GATE, right? So this was the regular expression, and this was in 2024, and this was in 2024 as well. So you can see that the concept is repeating. The question is not, but concept is repeating. Okay, so I think we should have 5 questions, and let me see if recording is going to further. So we'll start with this. Right, so it's 23 minutes. Yeah, we can go further. So let's go with the second page. So if you are getting this kind of ad, just cut it. So next question is, okay, so this question is bit of tricky, right? So how is this tricky? Let me tell you that. So this question is not asking about which is actually this is asking. So this question is like, let me write that question 6. So question 6, and what is this question is saying? This is question is saying the language that we are accepting by this. Like there is no name of this question, so we'll make Q. Right. So this is the language of Q, and the language Q should be, they are making like the questions is like which of the following is accepted the division of 3, like the here the which of the string except the division of 3 will be in a language, right? So okay. So first, in the question, they are saying which of the following regular expression represents set of the binary symbol numbers that are divisible by 3, right? So we want the multiple of 3's. Assume that the string is divisible by 3. So here the empty string is also here because they are already told that epsilon is divisible by 3. So then we have like 3, 3 1, we want 6, we want so we want these strings, right? But they are asking binary, so we'll make it binary. So firstly we'll make it 1 1, so it could be 3, and for 6, let's make me how we are making, like let me tell you something. So first is 2, sorry. All right, so we'll be having 16 and 32, right? So we'll be having, we'll go with the 16, right? So after 16, we come with 8, and after that 8 we will get 4, and after 4 we will get 2, and after 2 we will get 1, right? So for these two we'll be getting 3, and if we are getting 6, how to make it 6? 4 and 2 is 6, so it's will like 1 1 0, right? And to make 12, 8 9 10 11, 8 9 10 11, so we are making 0, sorry, 1 0 double 1, so it will be like 1 0 double 1, which will be like 9, so it's 9, right? So it's 9 8 9 10, sorry, we are making 3 6 12, we made 12, so we didn't make 9, so let me make 9. So 9 is like 8 and 9, so it will be like 1, so 1, right? 0 0 1, so it's 9, it's 12, let's make it 15, so 15 is like 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, right? So it will be like 4 ones, 1 1 1 1, 4 ones, it's right. So let's make 80, so 16 17 18 19, 17 18, so 1 0 0 16 17 18 1 0, right? So uh it's making, let me do this, and it's making 18, let's make 21, so 21 is 16, right? So we'll have 1, so we'll have 1 1 0 1 0 1, yeah, this is making our string as, yeah, this is making 18 now, such sorry, let's make it 21, right? So yeah, so on, by the way. And let me do some formatting of this, so you're able to understand much better, right? So these are the sequence, right? So now we have to just find out these things from this, right? The concept is same as well, right? We just have to understand the language. Understanding language is the very important things for regular expressions, right? So let's go with this, and can we make it less epsilon? So yeah, we can make it epsilon, so all are true, all are candidates. Can we make 11? Let's make 11. So if we make can we make 11? We can just, or yeah, we can make 11 from this, right? So can we make 11? Yeah, we don't even say, we don't even to have to say we can make 11. Can we make 11 here? Yeah, we can make 11 here because we'll pick this and pick it. Can we make 11? Yeah, we can make 11 here. So can we make 11 0? 1 1 0 means, so Yeah, if we make it double, so this is going to be 11 1 1, and plus this one, so it will be 11 0. So can we make 11 0 here? 11 plus 0, yeah, we can make 11 0. So we'll pick this two, and then we'll pick this one. So we can pick this, right? Let me see. uh, yeah, we can make 11 0 right here. Can we make 11 0 here? Okay, so we can pick this one and this one. So yeah, we are making 11 0 here too. And, wait. So, wait. Sorry. I just made a simple mistake that we can pick this one, this one. Yeah, we can make it 11 0. Okay, so these four are candidates, by the way, now. So let's see. 1001 is made. So 1000 means 1001. So let's go with this one. Can we make a 1001? So 1, right? So 1, right? So we'll pick this one, 0 0 1. So yeah, 1000 is created by this just one string. Can we make 1000 here? Like I will pick this one, right? So if we so we are making right, so we are making 10 here and 0 here, so we are making 1000. Can we make 1000 here? 0 0 0, and yeah, we are making 1000 here. Can we make 1000 here? Let me see. So we are making 11. That's not we want, and we want 1 double 0 and 1, right? So if we pick this string, just alone this string, because other art string are not qualified, so we will by default getting 11. So this is not a correct, right? This is wrong because we are getting 11, but we want one, just single one, and single one come from here. But if we pick this one, we will getting extra this two one. This is not a correct, so this is get disqualified. Let's go with the one, right? Same thing, right? So this is disqualified. Let's see these things, right? Can we make 1011? So let's go with 1 0. We can make this, right? So okay, so we make 1 0. Yeah, we are getting extra one, so we'll pick 1, right? So let me see. Can we making 100 around here? Was I confused with this? Yeah, we are going to create 1. Can we create 0? Yeah, we can create 0, but we will be getting extra 1 right here. So I don't think so this is about acceptable. Okay, this is not creating 1 1 0 1 1, right? This is not creating 1 0 0. Let me verify once again, because it's needed, like 1 is created, but if we need 1, right? So to make 1, we have to make this one, and we will be having this double one, right? So we will be getting this double one, and for 1000 we can create, but we are not able to create like 3 6 9 12, right? So we are unable to create 12 from this, so this should be cancelled, right? So this is MSQ, by the way. So the answer should be like these three. 1 2 3, these are the correct answer according to the question, according to the data paper practice.com. But this question should be not correct. Let me just verify from ChatGPT, because I don't think so that this should be this should be wrong, because we are unable to make 1100. Okay. So 1011, this is, we are unable to make this one, right? Can we make 10? So we pick 1? Yeah, same thing, we can pick right here also. Can we pick 10? Let me see if the string is true. So we are picking 8 9 10 11. Sorry, I think maybe 8 9 10 11 12. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. So 12 is like this. So yeah, I'm not. I was wrong. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. So this is the 12 and this 12 is accepted because 11 is accepted. Right. So these are the three correct answer. And yeah, I was bit of wrong side. So but we will able to identify our language, by the way, because we are made a few mistakes, because I was writing on this desktop. That's why it was mistake, right? Next, go with this question, and this question was in 2021, and this question is again asked in 2020, right? So they are asking every year for like regular expression question, by the way. Let's go with the which one of the following regular expression represents the set of all binary strings with odd number of them. Here we go again. Okay, so all right, so this is also going to be a bit of too much, and the video is going to be like, okay, so it's like very large right now. So we'll stop with our video today for now, and I think I'll make another video for 7 to upcoming questions. So we have done 6 questions, and if you want the PDF for this, you can ask me, but I don't think so. You need this PDF because we can just visit this website. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.